Hello and welcome back guys to a basic Flutter material widgets course for beginners level. In this course we will be designing an app using material design widget. But in today's tutorial we will be designing an interactive drawer, or you can say side menu. First of all, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update. So let's start. First, create an app bar with the title Flutter Beginners and save. Let me remove the debug banner by going to our main .dot file. Debug show checked mode banner is false. And then a drawer child list view padding edge and sets .0 and save. As you can see, we have our drawer, but it is too simple. Let's working on adding different widgets to our drawer. The first child, we will have user account drawer header, account name, const text, for example fix it, dot, my channel name, and account email, my name, I Muhammad, @fix it. Let's add commas here and save. Let me add const and remove from here and save again. Let's add current account, picture, container decoration, box decoration, border radius const, border radius dot all, radius dot circular 50, and add commas here and save. Border dot all, width 2, colors dot blue accent. As you can see guys, now we have our drawer. Let's add circle avatar as a child to our container, background image, network image, and let me copy and paste the URL from internet and save. Now you can see guys, we have our circle avatar. Let's add decoration to our user account drawer header, const box decoration, image network image. Let me copy and paste the image URL and save. Let's remove the side spacing from our cover image by adding fit box width dot fill to our network image and save. Now let's add other account picture. If someone have multiple accounts, for example, for this we have to need a container. Let's copy and paste the container decoration we already have and save. Let's copy and paste circle avatar as well and paste as a child to our container, and let me change the image by copy and paste the URL from internet and save. Change its border colors dot white. Now let's start working on the navigation by adding list style. In the list style we will have leading, and the leading we will have icons dot home outline and save. After leading we will have a title text here. On tab it will be null for now. Let's remove const from list style and add into our leading and title and hit the save button. Let's copy and paste the list style text to profile and change its icons dot person outline. Copy and paste the list style again and change its text to schedule and icon dot calendar today outline. Copy and paste the list style, change its icons dot to notification. Let's add a trailing to this one, icons dot volume mute outline. Same process again and again. Let me add a const divider here, indent 20 and indent 0, colors dot gray, thickness 0 and save. As you can see, but wait a minute, I make a mistake here. Let me change the profile text to notifications. Copy and paste the divider between the schedule and notification. As you can see, now here we have our navigation drawer. This tutorial ends up here. See you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a like and comment, and turn on the notification button to never miss an update.